Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to put together a card using some random stuff from my desk. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but despite my best intentions and despite all of my organized sentiment and critter books, I still end up with random bits and bobs on my desk in various little receptacles. So I'm guessing you guys probably have something similar. And today I decided to tackle a little bit of it. Get a little bit of it off my desk and turn it into a card. So that's what I'm doing here. I have this die cut circle with the hearts from a previous card that I made, and the pieces were still on my desk. So I'm turning it into a card. I have this inexpensive, lightweight, light pink cardstock, and I have it cut down slightly smaller than A2 size, and I'm just using my tape runner to put that panel down on the card base. So that card base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and here I'm just kind of figuring out the layout. I have all these little pieces, including this little random bit in the center that I think I dropped at this point and had to find it on my floor. So if there's a pause here, that's me looking for it. But here is a photo of the finished card, and I'm going to show you the pieces that I pulled together just to kind of turn it into a quick and easy card. So these were die cuts that just never made their way back into my die cut book, and again, we're just sitting on my desk. So I'm kind of flipping through. Oh, look at that candy. Oh, that candy. I think it's gone now. Yeah, pretty sure I ate it all. Thanks, Amber. My friend Amber sent me this amazing box full of not only those yummy chocolates, but a bunch of like crafty goodies too. So how sweet is that? Crafty friends are the best friends, right? Anyway, so that was another little receptacle that I have right next to me on my desk with little random bits and bobs that don't make it into my book. But I pulled out the pieces that I thought I was going to use today, and I'm going to use some liquid glue just to attach this circle portion down. And then it's just a matter of puzzle piecing in those other 3 little bits here, also with the liquid glue. So really easy. It's kind of cool. You can imagine what the other part of the panel was. You may have seen it depending on when I release these videos, but that other card that I used, the negative portion of this, was a follow-up video for some panels that I made in the past. So here I'm messing with the tweezers and then realize I'm just going to use my jewel picker and put that last little bit in place. And then I have that Woot die cut. Sadly, I think that may be discontinued. That was from Simon Says Stamp. It was a Catherine Pooler die, and it's one of my favorites, so I wish you would bring it back, but I will link it if it is available below. And then I have these additional sentiments from All to New that I recently got, which is a fun product for my crafty stash. And I have this Woot die cut in gold metallic cardstock, and because that's a little bit fiddly, I'm going to use my microdot sheets. If you aren't familiar with these, I get these from Amazon. I'll link those as well below, but it's a sheet with a ton of little tiny dots of glue. So basically you just kind of put your die cut, especially your little thin delicate dies like this, and then it's just a way to prevent liquid glue oozage. It's just another option. If you don't have oozage, then use your liquid glue. But I'm struggle bus with that stuff. I'm telling you, I make a hot mess, especially with metallic cardstock for some reason. It's too much. So I love these microdot sheets. I feel they work really well. Sometimes you just need to move it around to different spots on your sheet depending on how much you've used it up. But overall, very simple design. Added some gold blingage and that sentiment on the inside, and that's going to finish the card. And I was able to use up some rando stuff on my desk. So win-win, right? Anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Here's a couple more videos for you, and I'll check you next time. Bye.